to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have a big old unboxing of this big old box. This is actually, Jeffree Star recently had a mystery box that you could buy. Unfortunately, I was in line to buy the big one, but then I was like, oh, my niece might want one. So I was going to change the size of the shirt and all that other stuff. And yeah, it kicked me into the back of the line again, but luckily I was able to order something, but I did not get the deluxe box, which was the $70 one, but like $175 value, something like that. But in this box, it's not even all my boxes. I'm still missing one box. I'm guessing I'm still waiting on the mini box. I have only seen pictures of this box. This is the premium. I do believe it's called your premium one person's pictures of this particular one. I thought it was just going to be these boxes that came in. And by the way, I got 2 premium boxes. You know why I did this? I did true premium and a mini because I wanted free shipping. I hate paying for shipping. If I can get out of paying for shipping, I don't care if I have to go pick it up in the store. I wanted free shipping, so I ordered 2 to help get the free shipping. I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these. I think the value on these were at least 90. It could have been more because they were 45 a piece. They are like taped to the max. Like, comment down below if you only got like one, did it come in this box instead of the big pink box? I don't get that. I guess I'll know whenever my mini gets here. So it is wrapped in thing. I have not looked at these. Tissue paper. So that's what we're looking at in the first box. Let's see. Liquid Frost and Crown Jewel. I do have one of these, and what color is that? I thought I saw it in here a minute ago. I'm thinking it was still in here. So I don't have this color. And it's open from the bottom. See, I have no highlight on. I have the rest of my makeup on. And this is the mini Jawbreaker palette, which y'all need to pay attention to that video, which will go up after this one. Oh, okay, that is a dark gold. Which looks like it needs to be stirred. Okay. Okay. So blend it out. It's actually really like pretty. It's just a sheen. It almost has like an army green kind of tint to it. I'm gonna do one cheek because I have a feeling the middle one might be in that one. Because it is the same like kind of format I saw in some other people's. I don't really know how much I'm doing cheek. Oh, here it is. This one I have. Oh, what color is that? Ice Queen. I knew it was around here somewhere. Ooh, okay, let's see if I can get that blended out. Probably only need like plus dots I put on. Okay, that's looking really pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay, it's very glittery though, but you know, it's pretty. Pretty. It blends to like where you don't get a lot of pigment color, you get a lot of glitter, you get a little sheen, or at least on my skin, it's more like color sheen. And okay, so I'm cool with that. I think that's like a $30, $38 product. I don't know. So next thing up is a pop socket. I didn't know he made them in different colors. I have the red one currently on my phone, but as y'all know, you can't re-stick those things ever. And I just got the Jawbreaker XR phone case, and I kind of wanted to switch, even though I really love the phone case. So that one would match. It's an orange one, so I'm cool with that. I kind of want to see if I got a different color though. Not always my favorite. Then we got 3 lippies in this. So let's see. We have the question mark shade, which is in both of these. We have Doll Parts. I don't know if I have that color. And Celebrity Skin, which looks different. I think in the I have Celebrity Skin and Bullet form. I think isn't it a liquid lipstick shade too? But it's like a real nude. So, oh, okay, that's actually pretty. It's like more of a grayish beige. It's pretty. I'm gonna hold on to that because I want to see something. Like, one of my friends, she wants this color, but I don't know if she wants it in liquid lip or this kind of thing. So I'm gonna hold on to that. I don't mind that color. I just have a few of these colors. Now I'm interested in this question mark shade. I thought it was like a niche. Okay, it's a light, kind of a pinky nude, like a rose nude kind of color, like a light rosy pink nude. So that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and, I'm gonna go ahead and slap it on. And hopefully it goes. It is a pink with a rose undertone, so less of a nude. Still really pretty. I rock this color. I have colors similar to it. Like, I don't mind this color, like especially in spring. So that's cool. And last one is doll parts. Do I have this color? So I don't have that color. So that is actually very close to the color I have on right now. But this is deeper. So this one, like this color, I can get away with because my skin tone allows me to get away with it. But especially when I'm lighter, it'll look better, which I'm lighter like in the springtime. This is actually a really pretty rosy color. So let me find something to take this off because I want to try this on. Try doll parts, which actually I like. Okay. I think it's pretty though. I do have that color, but still very pretty, very wearable shade. So again, I got the Question Mystery shade, which is this is a lighter pink, but still pretty. It's got like a rose undertone. This is a more deeper pink, but deeper rose. This is like a true rose. It's almost like a blue undertone, so I like it. It's cool. I did get Slippery Skin, which is actually more brown. This one's like a purple, it's like a brownish kind of color. And the Liquid Frost in this gold color, which blended out, just looks glitter with a hint of color. So it's fine. Not disappointed because I don't have any of these colors, so it's cool. Box number 2. And I have no idea what's in the minis. I haven't watched any videos. I'm just hoping I don't get the same colors. So here it is again. Okay. No. Okay, I got Crown Jewel. Again. Okay. I got an orange pop socket. Again. Question mark, which you knew was going to happen. Again. Doll Hearts. And Celebrity Skin. Oh my gosh. I got the same box. How did I get the same box? So they're on the same order? Do you think I wanted the same box? I keep the pop socket for other purposes. I'll probably get this to somebody. It might be, see, blended out doesn't look anything, so I don't think it's going to be too dark for many people. I don't know. I want to kind of give these to my niece because she loves makeup and she's been wanting some Jeffree Star stuff. So we'll see. And then this one, I guess I'm going to keep and swatch. Oh my gosh. So I'm disappointed. I got the same daggum box. How did I get the same daggum box? Did anybody else who ordered 2 get the same box? Like, because they had to order pretty much the same order unless they were like on different terminals. And like, yeah, I got the same daggum box. I knew I'd get the same freaking question mark lippy. I didn't think I'd get the same box. So I don't know. I'll figure out what to do with that. If I'm just gonna give the whole thing away, or I don't know. My niece might like it. We'll see. She might like the whole thing. Whatever. We'll see. So anyway, thank you for watching. really disappointed. But keep an eye out for the mini box. I'm sorry if the table, my phone's shaking because Boo decided to get up on my table. Boo, would you get down? Be a good baby. There's his tail. Get down. So I can't believe that happened. Has that happened to anybody else? Like, seriously? Like the same box? And is it only the one box? No, that can't be. Is there been any difference in the premium boxes? Like, I need to look. No, I don't think she got the girl. I saw her stuff. I don't think it was the same as my stuff for the premium box. So there were different variations. I think there's different. I don't think she got the crown jewel. I'm like, seriously? Almost in the same box, the same person? That's so mean. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. What are you buying for it? Bye.